everyone. This are some small mini sticky notes, or you can say the bookmark. For I have make it bookmarks. So let's put some water here and stick here, friends. So this is our small and mini bookmarks. So this way. So how to make it? Now we have made that colorful pages. And this way the colorful pages I have make it. The colorful pages, the video is given. Video is uploaded of that. So first take this of any color. Now cut it in a strip. So the strips I have cut it. So of that strips we have to cut this way the triangles. Cut it half. Let's cut and make it triangle, friends. So friends, few I have done in this way and few I have done in this way. So you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for the more videos. Thank you.